Ugh, don't you hate when your dog pulls like a freight train on a leash, making a simple walk feel like a full-on tug-of-war? It was embarrassing, frustrating, and one time it even made me throw out my back. It turns out that collars and basic harnesses actually encourage this kind of bad behavior in dogs and makes it worse. I had no idea what to do anymore other than waste my money on expensive classes and trainers. I even tried a choke collar, but I was scared it was going to cause permanent damage to his neck. Nothing worked. But then, my friend recommended that I try the Joyride harness. And let me just say, this harness truly did transform our walks into a joyride. The harness is made with not just one leash attachment, but 2 extra ones on the side that are used to train my dog not to pull. For my dog, he was instantly more calm wearing it, so even before using it, it was a complete game changer. The best part is, it's not some complicated contraption that will take forever to get on him. It goes on easy in 2 seconds flat. After using the side rings, the constant pulling and tugging is pretty much non-existent. Honestly, I'm obsessed with this dog harness. I've been using it for a month now, and I've thrown out all of my dog's old harnesses and collars. So if you're anything like me and you're tired of getting jerked around by your dog, I highly recommend trying a Joyride harness like right now.